Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell investments on the Charles Schwab platform. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. So once you log into your account on Charles Schwab, you will see the main dashboard. To start buying stocks or ETFs, click on the Trade tab located on the top menu. After clicking it, you will see multiple trading options such as all-in-one trade, stocks and ETFs, options, mutual funds, and more. For this tutorial, we'll focus only on stocks and ETFs, so click on that option. Next, your current holdings will appear, and you simply need to select the stock or ETF you want to sell. At this point, you will see your position details, including how many shares you own and the current market price. If you want to sell only part of your investment, you just change the quantity and enter the exact number of shares you want to sell, instead of selling the full position. For example, if you own multiple shares, you can sell just one share or any portion you choose while keeping the rest invested. Now you can choose your order type, such as market or limit order. A market order will sell immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you want to sell at. After that, click Preview Order and carefully review all the details, including quantity, estimated price, and total value. If everything looks correct, click Place Order to complete the transaction. Once the order is executed, you will see your updated holdings in your account summary, and your cash balance will increase based on the shares you sold. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.